If your screen monitor display looks like this or like this, the problem is your screen resolution. To fix, we need to click the search box or right-click the start button and click search. The term we're going to search for is display settings. Click on the icon that appears. If you have multiple monitors, you can have Windows identify the number assigned to each monitor you have. Select the monitor that you want to adjust. Scroll down till you see Display Resolution. Here is where you can adjust how the image is displayed on the screen. The one that says recommended is the best resolution for your screen. The lower you go down the list of resolutions, the bigger the image of the screen will appear. To keep the changes, you will need to click Keep Changes. If you don't click anything, Windows will automatically revert to your previous settings. To make just the text appear larger, we can click the Start button, Settings, Ease of Access, Display. Under Make Text Bigger, you can slide the slider until it is at a comfortable size. Once you are finished, click Apply to save the changes. If you want to adjust the size of a web page, you can do so by pressing and holding the Control key and moving your mouse wheel to make the page bigger or smaller. And that concludes our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.